Hey guys, what's happening? How to share a link on Instagram post. So go ahead and open up your Instagram, right? And then what you're gonna do, click the plus button right here and select your post. Let's say, for example, this post. I'm gonna hit next, and you can add music, edit it. If you want to add like filters or whatever, hit next, and you can add the link right here, right? But if you are using the Instagram app, you won't be able to actually access the link. You have to go through your browser or through your Instagram web, and then just go to the same post and then try to copy it using your cursor or with your fingers, like trying to copy the full link. So it's gonna be complicated for you guys if you are using the phone app, because you won't be able, for some phones, you won't be able to actually copy it, right? But if you are trying to get around the, to get around Instagram app, or try to get around to access that link, you can go to your Instagram web on your phone, or you can use your PC or laptop to just copy it using your cursor, and you're gonna be able to access the same link. So let us know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.